Look up.
Hi.
Hi. Hi Fibs, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new quiet day here in my house. It's the weekend, so we're just cruise controlling. I did not work out this morning because I felt so tired. Though I don't normally work out on the weekend, but because I miss what, 1 or 2 days I think in the week, so I would normally fall back on the weekends. But girl, was my body tired this morning when I woke up, so I'm saying, you know what, do rest. So I stayed in bed a little bit longer, and I have a few things that I want to get done on my agenda this morning today. So I said, all right, let's kick off the day with that. Hopefully you guys are doing well. Hopefully you guys are good and you guys are continuing to stay safe. I am in the kitchen. You know, that's my favorite place to be. Sometimes I just need a break from the kitchen, which I take at least once a week. Anyway, my girl is done for her morning nap. My boy is watching his tablet. And I'm making breakfast. I am making some pancakes because I haven't had pancake in a long time. It's been a while since I've had pancake. So I said, all right, let's do the do today. So I'm whipping up some pancakes so everybody can get a little pancake. And then I'm going to jump straight into dinner and just get the kitchen out of my way for today. Today is Saturday, so I'm gonna make some soup. And it really look a bit chilly outside, so it's a good day to make soup. So I have some overripe banana. I put one in here, mash it out, and I'm gonna put one pancake mix in it. And then I'm gonna add some milk to that. Hopefully you guys are doing well. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and get keep up with the countdown. What are you guys having for breakfast this morning? I sent some Jamaicans will be having some fried dumpling and steamed callaloo this morning, or some green banana. Hey, a long time I don't eat some green banana, you know. Like some green banana, some steamed callaloo right now. Yeah, right this up. Not even a joke. Or some corned beef and fried dumpling. Corned beef and fried dumpling, nice, you know. Yesterday, I actually went to the supermarket looking for corned beef. I didn't find it, but maybe it's there. I looked everywhere I know it would have been and I didn't see it. Because in the week, one day this week, Babe requested corned beef. He wanted corned beef and rice. So I used the last corned beef that I had. I wanted to replace it, but it was nowhere to be found. You guys, let me tell you something about air fryer. Normally I would buy oil so often, and I haven't bought a bottle of oil in a month. Why? Because I haven't been using oil apart from my olive oil to fry eggs. Isn't that amazing? I haven't used my oil because my air fryer has been getting the job done without the oil. If you guys are looking to cut out cholesterol, lower your cholesterol, cut out all this oil, get an air fryer. And funny enough, I had thought that the kids and babe wouldn't like the fries from the air fryer, but they do like it. So I don't have to use my deep fryer. I don't have to use my deep fryer to fry fries and nuggets. I use my air fryer.
Wagwan.
Okay, I have a surprise for you. One of the faves sent this for you.
What is it?
You're gonna have to open it and see.
Thank you. Mama,
Mm,
but I already had a watch.
that's okay. Now you have 2 watches. So you can wear one day and the other one another day.
Okay.
Okay? Aha, what time it says on it?
I need to
Look at it.
stick. Oh. 480.
No, look again.
418.
Right, 4:18, but that time is wrong, so we need to set it. You like it?
Yes.
Who is on it?
Marshall.
You guys, a faves sent me this for Ty. Let me see if you guys can see it. I need to come out the frame. A fave sent this watch for Tyler, and they sent a Paw Patrol dress for Sarah. It has arrived a few days, but I just didn't get give it to him as yet. But your faves just always sending us things, though we don't have a PO box, but yeah, we get goodies every now and then. I'm gonna indulge. Can you tell? Tyler is already enjoying his. Sarah wake up from her nap. Oh, hi! Brother come to get you. Hi! Brother keeping you company. Hungry. Lunchtime. Turn up. Hi, baby. Oh, mwah. Sit.
Nana.
Who is that?
Nana.
Nana. You guys know she called me Nana. She don't call me Mama. She can't say the M. Who is that?
Nana.
Nana. Who is this?
Sarah.
Sarah. Ready to have lunch? Crazy here? Come, Ty, it's lunchtime.
Okay.
Alright, you guys, there goes dinner done for today. My job in the kitchen is done. Now we can go spend time with the fam bam. Look, thick and nice, just the way babe like it. Enough liquid so babe can get all the liquid and the carrots and yeah, exactly how he likes it. Look up.
Hi.
Hi. Cuckoo, how are you?
Hey, yeah.
How are you?
Hey, yeah.
How are you? Who is this?
Sarah.
Sarah, who is this? Who is this?
Sarah.
Yes, but who is this? This is Sarah. Who is this? Who is this? Say hello to the faves. Tell faves that you are about to get ready for bed. You're about to get ready for bed. Give mama a kiss. Mwah. I love you. I love you. You guys, it's been quite a relaxful afternoon. Tyler is here doing maths. Can you imagine that boy loved it? baby's here eating dinner.
What?
Eating soup.
More than drinking.
More than drinking soup. Yeah, say hello to the face all day. Say hello.
Hi guys, good afternoon. I'm eating soup and the soup is different than usually.
Why?
It's less creamy.
Really?
Yeah, but it's good. Maybe it's the bouillon. You put less packet. No,
No.
you put something different.
No.
Okay, well it's different, but it's still good. So I'm here enjoying my soup and yeah.
You guys will definitely get back, babe, later. Don't worry. Look at this one. Look at this one. This one. Look at him. Tell her.
Hey,
Ty. You guys, he's gonna tell you that he's doing his work. He's focused. Yeah, Sarah, coming to help you focus. Look at Sarah.
That's okay. I almost finished. Just 2 exercises. Look.
Sarah helping him. Look at honey, mute the TV for me with the remote in front of you. Oh, where did you go? Come back. Can you guys tell what he's doing? Math upstairs. What you doing, girl? She's looking for a pacifier. Yes, here? You ready to go shower and go to bed?
Mama, let's go shower with me.
No. I'm not going to actually shower her. I'm just going to wipe her up. She's not going in any water tonight. Because she have a little runny nose. Okay, I'm gone. Look at her. You're looking for your pussy?
No.
You're looking for your pussy? She's ready for bed. She's tired.
No.
Come here. Come. What do you want? What do you want? You want your pussy? It's in the bag. You want juice? You want juice? Say juice, please. Say juice, please. Look at her coming for me. What do you want? Yay. Juice, please. What do you want? Tell me what you want. What do you want? What, please? No, she said something, please. I'm gonna give you water. No juice. You want water? You want water, please? She did say please. I don't know what she asked for, but she wanted something. So water it is. Yes, she's definitely thirsty. More? Yeah. More? Finish? Okay, tell Faves bye-bye. Night-night. Blow them kiss. Mwah. Blow them kisses.
No.
Give Faves kisses. Mwah.
Get together, honey. They're talking together. The brothers.
Bye.
Uh-oh. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. It hurt. Hush, hush, hush. It's an accident. It's because she's excited. That's okay. You'll be fine.
But I still can't tickle it. Oh my god. 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 Vago. 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 Vago.
Alright, alright. Okay. Bed. Honey, don't break it. All you have to do is screw the thing at the back to release the tension. Okay. You don't screw it enough. Okay. You guys.
Yes, guys, I don't do that. I do that to calm myself, not to calm myself because of my hurt, to calm myself from my
You look yourself. Where you call yourself from your wife for? Huh? Where you call yourself from your wife for? Tell them the truth. Tell them the truth. Where you call yourself from your wife for?
I just now, I'm trying to, I get frustrated with the camera and all of this thing, and then you tell me, I do that.
Why you so lie? Why you too lie? Stop lie. Stop lie. Stop lie. Lying is not good, huh? Lying is not. Tell the people why you're struggling.
I think we need to move to Tibet or something like this, to just be in peace with myself.
So you're not gonna sir, who stop you from going to Tibet?
My wife and my kids.
Your wife and kids will be just fine. Go along at Tibet. He's here turning on the camera,
Anyway,
struggling with position the camera. I don't my fault.
Yeah, me I just go and this say she wants everything to be.
Can you end the vlog, you guys? Sorry you guys haven't got much vlog today, but we have to go on a little mission. So we go on that mission and come back. And now my allergy is acting up. And I sound like I'm sick.
You took the...
I took the medicine, yes.
Okay, what is the medicine again?
Something to squeeze in my nose.
Oh, so you can do that how often?
I think it says 4 times a day.
Okay. Well, I hope you feel better.
Yeah.
I hope you feel better.
Yeah,
Guys,
it's terrible.
it's feeling cold. I mean, there's like a cold coming in France at this time of the year. I mean, we are in the best city in France, and we're still feeling chilly.
Yeah, but we have some days that is super hot, and then you have some days where it's super windy.
Windy. I remember I saw yesterday, I was seeing
palm tree.
No, I was seeing tennis on TV. There's a tournament actually in Monaco. It was a Nadal playing, and whilst they're playing and they are in
long sleeve,
short sleeve and short, you can see all the referees they were with big jackets. And so I'll just say, yeah, and today that's how I feel. I mean, I was just with the little things, but I felt cold. Normally you're not like this at this time. So and I seen TV in the middle of France, it's frozen at night, and the agriculture struggling and all of these things. So yeah, actually it's skipping cold. So hopefully the hot weather gonna come back.
Yeah.
Yeah, today I've been we did different things, and it was okay day. It was okay day for me. It's okay. I realized that the morning and the early afternoon are the best moment of the day, so at least it would be okay when I go back to work. But the end of the day, it's harder. So uh, I manage. I see how is it, but the end of the day is harder than the
The rest
beginning.
of the day.
So maybe it's just what I need to do is to take a nap. Maybe the nap is what calm me down.
Yeah, but you have been taking naps.
Yeah, but not today. Maybe that's what I needed, a good nap.
Just today alone, you haven't taken a nap. You take a nap every day.
I took a nap yesterday.
2 times, sometimes a day, 2
Really?
times.
I don't remember yesterday, but I lose. That's the side effect. Who are you? Who are you? What are you doing in my house? Hmm?
Anyway, guys, I am going to bed. Leave this silly soul. He played too much. He can't be serious for 2 seconds.
Your voice sounds.
Like you're going to bed with a
Yeah,
man tonight.
you sounds like Sylvester Stallone
You
in
ready?
the movie.
You ready?
Oh yeah.
You're ready. You're ready.
Yes, I am ready. You're
To
ready?
bed with a man tonight?
Oh no.
But that's not just say you say you're ready.
No, I'm ready to go to bed.
Not with a man voice.
I don't care about the man voice as long as she's a female. Sigh.
Anyway, you guys, he's telling me that my voice is rough. I can hear it.
You like this vlog?
If I like the vlog?
Yeah.
What do you mean if I like the vlog?
Do you like the vlog?
Yes.
So what you supposed to do if you like it?
Give it a thumbs up.
Right. And what else?
Comment down below.
Right. And what else?
Subscribe if you're new.
And what else?
And catch up and keep up with the family.
And what else?
And turn on the notification bell.
And we see you guys tomorrow.
Come go your bed. Please, come go your bed. Right
That's
now.
where you go. Where you go?
May I go my bed? We don't know about you, sir.
Me I go my bed. Where you go?
You have bed?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I don't remember.
Yeah, problem. You.